may chance
Blue
po
app
kapala
live
mag-apply
highlight.
even though may 100 applicants na due to ATS. Discouraging po kasi pag madami na nauna. Bakit ka na-discourage? Did you know na ma mas masakit pa 100 times more ang mawalan ng client kaysa sa ma-reject 100 times sa application? So, what I mean to say is, if hindi nyo kaya yung heartbreak ng rejection during applications, hindi nyo kakayanin yung heartbreak pag bigla kayong ginost ng client. Yung close na kayo for years, you've been working for years, nakapundar ka na sa kanya for years, and then you're planning to build a house, and then a week after, he will let you go. Or December na, ang laki na ng vision mo na magiging maganda yung Pasko nyo sa family kasi 1st December, na VA ka na. You're very complacent kasi mabait si client. Tapos naka-receive ka ng email ng December 20 na last day mo na. If you cannot contain or control your emotions sa rejections during applications, ewan ko na lang sa inyo pag na-feel nyo yung mawala ng client. Ewan ko na talaga sa inyo. Iba yung heartbreak. Especially if breadwinner ka. Especially if kayo inasan sa pamilya. Tapos, yung pagising mo, maglalagin ka na sana, wala ka ng access, walang email, walang chat. Or kahit may email, sasabihan ka lang na, this is your last day. I'm sorry, but um, we have financial issues in the company and we can't do anything about it. This is not personal. This is a business decision. Ganun lang. Walang ibang chika. Ang sakit. Especially if close mo si client. But then again, hiring a VA, pay ng VA, increase ng VA, and firing a VA is nothing personal. It's business decision. So going back to your mga rant sa buhay about rejections, discouragement, hindi pa kayo nakakapasok, ang hihina ng loob nyo. The real battle sa industry na to is not how to become a VA or finding your first paying client. The real battle, the real struggle is when you finally get your first paying client. Paano nyo siya makikip? Paano nyo siya paano ka magiging consistent? Paano ka pag magtatrabaho sa kanya while you are looking for a backup plan? Paano ka magtatrabaho sa kanya while you're still, learning and upskilling? Because hindi